Some more bikes have just arrived. Give you a quick view of them. It's a Yamaha 350. Honda 250 Red Rocket. Harley Davidson shovel head. And another Harley Davidson shovel head. Both kickstarts and electric. Harley Davidson iron head. It's a Harley Sportster. What we got here? It's a Triumph. This one's a gem. This is a panhead. Another shovel head. Honda CT90. Is that a big Harley there? Don't know the model. Got a BSA there. BSA here. Couple of iron heads. I think it needs some new handlebars on that one. Well, this is from last time, XL250. Another couple of shovel heads. Trident. That one's sold. That one's sold. Triumph T100. There's a nice Sportster 1200 hardtail bobber with Springer forks. Got MOT'd yesterday. Well, that's what we got. I'm going to start going through them and I'll do an update tomorrow.